Same satellite picture, just a different timestamp. It almost looks like a repeat performance from this morning's show with just a few changes to talk about. We have this low pressure system that's still stateside, spinning backwards over Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa, which is still driving in a beautiful summer breeze that we witnessed all day today across northeast Ontario, which made your low 30-degree readings feel a little bit more comfortable. And now that the sun is setting, the winds are beginning to diminish as we kind of throw a little bit away of the summer daytime heating. This massive cloud cover that's on the Ontario side of the Ontario-Manitoba border is producing storm cloud tops of between 38 and 40,000 feet. All by itself is this other cell right over here, satellite picture taken at 6:45, so this is somewhat outdated. Gives you an idea that Environment Canada did prompt from this cell a severe thunderstorm watch for Fraserdale, Pleasure Lake, which is an area just north of Kapuskasing-Hearst, but within that same jurisdiction. Just that one little cell did produce one red cell on the radar. I don't know if that's going to last long, if that's still in effect by the time it gets onto the air, but it just shows you that this Pac-Man shaped cloud cover could crunch in to northeast Ontario for Friday evening with the risk of showers or thunderstorms. We'll take a look at the real-time winds and that radar picture with the red cell after this. It's the real-time winds and radar combined into one segment. Thank you very much for that app. Still picture taken at 6:05, 6:10. There's that one only cell that was embedded with that isolated rain shower cell that's drifting across extreme northeast Ontario. That is prompting that severe thunderstorm watch for the Fraserdale and the Pleasure Lake region. One thing I'd like you to notice as well with this real-time winds app is that we do have the winds coming out of the southwest across northeast Ontario for areas around highways 101, 655, and Highway 11 as well. When the map shifts over towards the James and Hudson Bay area, we're going to notice that the winds are coming out of the southwest for our region in northeast Ontario, but there's a cooler air mass sneaking in from James and Hudson Bay that's colliding with the warmer air coming up from our region in northeast Ontario. That midway point is right at this line right over here. It's something that we'll watch out for the rest of tonight if the watch continues past this broadcast time, which is 9 o'clock this evening. If the watch ends, nothing to worry about. It is something to keep an eye on, though, to see if our forecast does hold true for Friday with the risk of showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and for the evening. That's your Thursday night report. My information templates are right around the corner. Stay tuned.